Hi first graders, we're going to practice fractions today and we're going to do an activity called Fraction Scoot. Now when you usually do this activity in the classroom, you take these cards, each with a different fraction problem on them, and you put them up around the classroom, and then students scoot from one card to the other to answer the questions. Well, I'm not going to scoot all over my house, so I just have a stack of the cards here, and I am going to turn one over, and then I'm going to answer the question. And this is what the answer page looks like. And they've given us boxes for 1 through 30 because there are 30 cards here. Now we're not going to do all 30 cards, but we'll do some of them and we'll get to talk about fractions and we'll get to practice. You can print out this fraction scoot answer grid, or you can just get a piece of paper and write the answers as we go along. Okay, so I'm going to start with number 5. I'm going to move that out of the way so I've got more space. And it says, what fraction of the shape is shaded? So which parts are this gray color? Well, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts of this whole are shaded. That's the number that's going to go on top. But what number goes on the bottom of my fraction? Right, it's the number of all the pieces. And there are 8. I can see 4 here, and I know that 4 more is 8. So 5 out of 8 are shaded. Let me find box number 5. And remember, the number on the top is the part that's different in the whole. So 5 out of, and instead of saying out of, we draw the line. And then the number on the bottom is how many pieces there are in the whole. So we have 5 out of 8, or we would call that 5/8. All right, let's try another one. 8. We're going to go to box number 8. And it says, what fraction of the shapes are white? Not the shaded or the dark ones, the white ones. I can easily see that that's 4. So I need to figure out how many there are altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 shapes altogether, and 4 of them are white. So 4 out of 9 are white, or 4/9. All right, let's do another one. Now remember, you can pause the video and you can write in your fraction and then check your work with me. And if you get the same answer, give yourself a star or a smiley face. And if not, just fix your work and be ready to go on to the next one. We need to go to box number 25. I need to scoop my paper. Oh, right here. And it's saying, oops. Oh, there's my hand. What fraction of the shape is shaded? So again, shaded, we've got to do that fraction. And I can see easily that 3 of the shapes are shaded. I'm going to put the 3 down. I'm going to draw my line. And now I need to see how many pieces there are altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. So we have 3 out of 8, or 3/8. It was not as easy for me to see that this was 4 and 4 because of how they were shaded. All right, let's try another one. 19. Oh, 19 is right here. And this says, what fraction of the triangles are inside the circle? So we're looking at the whole group of triangles. And let's figure out how many there are altogether of the triangles. I see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 triangles altogether. And how many are inside the circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 10 are in the circle, or we would say 7/10. All right, let's try a couple more. Oh, pigs. And we need box number 28. Oh, that's way down here. What fraction of the pigs are spotted? This is a pretty simple one. We know we have 4 pigs, and the numbers that are spotted, there are 3. So 3 out of 4, or 3/4 of the pigs have spots. All right, here we go. Ooh, letters of the alphabet. Oh, and you can see somebody already marked on this from another year, but we can still do the work. And it says, what fraction of the letters are above, there's my hand, the line? So we're talking about this group of letters. This is kind of set up like a fraction in a way, because we have, oops, where's box 11? We have that line, but we have to remember that the number on the bottom is how many letters there are all together. So let's fill that in. I can see here that this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 letters all together. And above the line, how many are there? Right, 5. 5 out of 12, or 5/12, are above the line. Okay, one more for this video. Oh, this one will be so simple because it's a whole that's divided into only 3 pieces. We don't really need to count. We can just look and see that, and our brain already knows. And they're asking, what fraction of the shape is shaded? This gray color. Well, 2 of 3 are shaded, and we need box 17. 2 of 3 are shaded. All right, good job, first grade. Come back to the next video and we'll do some more.